Russia has backed the Indian move of revoking the Article 370 and the forming of two union territories, saying that the exercise was carried out within the framework of the Constitution of the Republic of India. The Russian Ministry of Foreign Affairs has said that the changes associated with the status of the state of J&K and its division into two union territories are carried out within the framework of the Constitution, and Russia hopes that the parties involved will not allow an aggravation of the situation as a result of the decision. As per latest reports, the Defense Acquisition Council has given approval for the procurement of indigenous software-defined tactical radios and next-generation maritime mobile coastal batteries for the Indian Navy, which are expected to be fitted with supersonic Brahmos surface-to-surface cruise systems. The software-defined radios is a complex and state-of-the-art communication system developed indigenously by DRDO and Bharat Electronics Limited, which will enable communication between fighter jets, ground units and AWACS aircraft. As per latest reports, the Bharat-52 towed system developed by Kalyani Group has been granted export license by the Indian government, along with its ultralight mobile 105mm field system, and both the systems will now be available for evaluations and trials for prospective foreign customers from Asian and African countries. Meanwhile, the Indian Army has not shown any interests in both the systems, but the Army will procure the advanced towed artillery gun system developed jointly by the Kalyani Group and Tata Defence. A second batch of 4 Apache helicopters for the Indian Air Force has arrived at the Hindon Air Force Station. Boeing officials have said that all the 8 platforms were delivered weeks before the delivery schedule, and the delivery of the remaining 14 helicopters is scheduled to be completed by 2020. The delivered helicopters are currently being assembled and flight tested, before being officially handed over to the Indian Air Force by the end of August. The Indian Air Force has successfully tested the Spyder air defense system from Pokhran Test Range. It is a medium-range mobile air defense system developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems of Israel, which is already in the process of deployment along the western borders, and is fully capable to counter fighter jets, cruise systems and surveillance aircraft. Garden Reach Shipbuilders has launched the 5th fast patrol vessel for the Indian Coast Guard, which is the last in the series of 5 fast patrol vessels. These vessels are designed for a maximum speed of 34 knots, with an endurance of more than 1,500 nautical miles, and comes with an efficient hull form, developed indigenously and proven after extensive model testing. A state-of-the-art stealth frigate of the Indian Navy has arrived in Norway for a 3-day visit as part of Western Fleet overseas deployment. The visit to Norway comes amidst growing importance and convergence of national goal towards shared maritime interest and deepening of ties between both the countries.
Omar dropped it.